What if that tiny P0111 engine code is the hidden reason your car feels weak, burns more fuel, and just doesn't drive like it used to? Most people rush to replace parts and waste money. But the real fix is often much simpler than you think. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. First, what exactly is the P0111 engine code? P0111 means the intake air temperature IAT sensor is giving incorrect readings. This can cause poor performance and bad fuel economy. When this code appears, you may notice a few things. This is usually the first symptom you'll notice. The check engine light turns on when the ECM detects an abnormal voltage from the intake air temperature sensor. Second symptom, poor fuel economy. The engine uses incorrect air temperature data and consumes more fuel than normal. Third symptom, rough idle. Wrong sensor readings cause the engine to idle unevenly or feel shaky. Fourth symptom, weak acceleration. The vehicle may feel slow or unresponsive when pressing the gas pedal. Fifth symptom, hard starting. Incorrect air temperature data can make the engine difficult to start, especially when cold. The most common causes include damaged or loose wiring, dirty or corroded sensor connector, a faulty intake air temperature sensor, and rarely an ECU or PCM issue. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the IAT sensor. The IAT sensor may be located on the throttle body or directly attached to the intake manifold. First, carefully remove the IAT sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it has not been contaminated by oil, coolant, or another engine leak. Next, use a multimeter to test the IAT sensor. For an accurate reading, check your owner's manual for the correct IAT sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If the sensor does not produce a proper reading, this indicates the IAT sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Method B, the air filter. Locate the air filter housing, which is usually a black plastic box. Open the cover to expose the air filter, and be careful not to disconnect any hoses or stretch nearby wiring. Carefully remove the old air filter and note its orientation as it comes out. Before installing the new filter, clean out any dirt or debris inside the housing. Install the new filter in the same orientation as the old one, and make sure the outer seal sits properly. Finally, close the cover and secure all clips and screws. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. After that, clear the code with a skin tool and drive the car. If the light stays off, you're good. Always check wiring first. A lot of people replace the sensor and still have the code because the wire was broken. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.